Hello friend, welcome to you on Global Agri Point. Prabhlal here. Today we are discuss about an interesting topic as a online workshop. So the online workshop during the lockdown, it is important and to get your digital certificate in agriculture sectors. So the topic of an online workshop is climate change management strategy for doubling the farmers income. So the we are give a whole detail about the online workshop of this. So first one, we discuss about what is the online workshop and who is the conductor of this online workshop. So the multi technology testing center and vocational training center, MTTC and PTC, Tripura, and the Constitute of Central Agriculture University Imphal, Manipur, is organized. The both university and the training center is organized of this online workshop, and the online workshop of this is 5 days, 12 May to 16 May 2020. So and the topic of this online workshop is climate change strategy for doubling the farmer income. The duration of this online workshop is five days, and this is 12 to 16 May 2020. Let's first discuss about who is organizer and who is there, what is the insight and register benefit. So the insights of this online workshop is, first one is climate change and its threats in agriculture. So what is climate change and what is threats of climate change in agriculture? And the second insights of is impact of climate change in Indian agriculture. And third one is the mitigation and adoption strategies for income enhancement. So it is income enhancement about is doubling of farmers income. And the workshop is conducted in 12 to 16 May 2020. So it is a 5 days workshop, and it is an online workshop, and the register benefit of this workshop. So first benefit of this workshop is online session. So the various expert and consultator to give a lot of knowledge about online through online session. And the second benefit of this online workshop is interdisciplinary platform to expert challenges in field. So the various challenges in field are explorer. So it is a third one is reading material with full video recording of session. So third one is a reading material, and fourth one is important benefit of this online workshop is digital certificate. It is important certificate for all agriculture students, scientists, teachers and professor, and it is important during the that give a interview in various and competition exams. So it is a you get digital certificate. Let's discuss about the background aim of this online workshop. So aim of this online workshop is to elucidate participant about climate change and its impact on global and Indian agriculture sectors, and the mitigation strategy for livelihood security for resource poor, small and marginal farmers. So it is a ultimate aim of this online workshop to give a abundance knowledge about the doubling of farmer income of small and marginal farmer. So the how can apply and who can apply in online workshop. So the faculty, scientist, technical person, student, PG, PhD and UG and agriculture universities are eligible for register and require for take advantage of online workshop program during the lockdown period. So it is during the lockdown period provide an online workshop, and the online workshop is available first 50 registered eligible student only. So it is important also the online workshop available for only for 50 students. And the interested candidate register, I give you this link in our description. Go to description and click on link and register on in online workshop. And the registration date is last date for 11th May up to midnight. So it is a 12 p.m. on 11th May. And the registration fee for nominal is only 500 rupees. In this 500 rupees you get online session, online classes, study material and a digital certificate. It is important you get in only 500 rupees it online, 500 rupees online registration fees. And the instructor of this online workshop is first one is a patron of this online workshop is Dr. Pramod Kumar Pandey, and that is, it is a having abundant knowledge about this online workshop. And the organizer and resource person of this online workshop is Dr. Vinoda Kumar, and he is a assistant professor at Central Agriculture University, Imphal, Manipur. And the resource person of this is Dr. Sama, and he is the assistant professor at Institute of Agriculture Science, Raichur, Karnataka. And the resource person of this fourth one is Dr. Malla Reddy. So it is all about online workshop. Please go and attend this online workshop and get a digital certificate. And the whole I give also knowledge about Global Agri Fund. Global Agri Fund, it is a YouTube channel and Telegram channel, and also a discussion on a WhatsApp. So you can be joined through Telegram channel through searching a Global Agri Fund, and also give a link in description, and contact me on a WhatsApp for get this group discussion. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. Thank you so much.